Hey guys, it's A Theater here, and today we are doing Halloween! Yeah!
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
Now, for you guys who don't know, I am a fan of Halloween. I love it to death. I will legit... It's my favorite holiday. Oh, this is so bad. But yeah, I love Halloween so much that I actually want to do something for Halloween. I want to try to get into the holiday. So I'm going to try to talk to you guys. I might do a live stream. Who the heck knows? It's up to you guys. What do you guys want to see, huh? It's up to you, okay? Comment below what you want to see, okay? Because honestly, it's kind of amazing just hearing the... You guys hear that? One second. Okay. Weird. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. No, it's a little bit of a short thing, but I'll try to get more into videos next time, okay? Hopefully the next video will be a bit longer, but it's gonna be Halloween related, so it's gonna be awesome, so yeah. Anyway, guys, remember, leave your comment below and tell me what you want to see in the next video. Tell me what Halloween thing you want me to do. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, got everything done. Okay. Now I can upload the video. Hopefully the people will... Hopefully they'll comment and choose what they want. And note to self, check out the cats. Maybe the cat got in the house, probably. Yeah, it's fine, Well, then you're ready for the next day. Due to the increase of animal attacks, police have advised us to stay inside and keep our doors locked. So everyone, that means no going out tonight, because we want you to stay alive. So does the police. And now on to Jim with the weather.